Is it on? Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Simon Goes Forth, or welcome back to those of you who've been here before. Today I was about to start a trial shift for a second volunteer job. I'm in a community garden that's maintained by volunteers. Unfortunately, according to the weather forecast, this is the calm before the storm. literally. Later on today is meant to be like 50 something kilometers per hour winds, and the rain is it's now about just after 10 in the morning, about 12 o'clock, roughly about then, it's going to start pouring down. It's heavy rain's going to start. But unusually, I came across an ebook that I saw a while ago that looked very interesting. I'm not affiliated in any way to Playbooks or the author, but it's a book called Educated, and it looks so fascinating, and it's right at the moment it's only 99 pence, so I thought I'd buy it, which I just have, because I'm still waiting for the regular volunteers, but unfortunately they haven't turned up. Maybe because it's damp, it's still damp, and so, because last week I think one of the main volunteers mentioned that see what the weather's like, so that is a bit damp, but I'm here, but it's okay. I've made some goods come out of it, and bought the ebook, and just reading the initial feedback, I guess, absolutely fascinating, and I can't wait to get stuck into this ebook. I'm using the accessibility feature, or maybe it's the inbuilt Read Aloud function on Playbooks, which allows for the ebook to be turned into the audiobook, which saves some money, because I think some other ebook sellers charge extra, or they have a separate audio book function which costs more. But anyway, oh no, it stopped. What I was going to try and share with you all was a few moments ago. It was absolutely beautiful. I mean, there's like I'm sitting outside at this, as you can see, I'm colourblind, but if I'm not mistaken, these two picnic tables, which are quite rare. Picnic tables are quite rare in Edinburgh, where I live. And there was a lovely conversation going on between birds. I'll start up again. Yeah, hopefully you can hear it. It's quite subtle, but earlier on it was quite animated. I think they're talking to each other, aren't they? Different kind of birds, different kind of calls, sounds.